Raining again, y'all. Y'all can see it. Yup, raining again. Day in the life of Mad Dog, man. Hey, welcome back to the channel, y'all. See Olive Garden. Olive Carton, man. We got about 2 or 3 of them breads up in there, man. Them Olive Garden bread be hidden, man. I swear to God. Look at that. Big boy stat. Look at that. Salad, man. A little healthy on the side. Spaghetti thing, man. You know, not rocking, man. You know we coming in this thing. Eating like a real boss. That's how I'm supposed to eat, man. All day, every day. You feel me? Straight up. I just did a food review on the channel. So, y'all boy go subscribe to Mad Dog Reviews right now for that food review. But this right here, that ain't a food review, bro. I'm eating for real. But I just want to check in with y'all one time, man. See what's up with y'all boys out there. You feel me? I might get back to your food real quick. I'm probably holler at y'all. Back at the store again. You know what I'm saying? This shit, man, I swear to God. Crab chips. Hell. Crab chips. You out here. Best chips ever. I don't care what you say, bro. If you don't like these, bro, you cap, man. Big cap, you dig? Best chips ever, no cap. Okay, let me show y'all niggas the outfit of the day, man. Yeah, I'm wearing this Boys in the Hood shirt. Got these Levi jeans on. Today, these motherfucking Levi's. And of course, the Adidas Young 96s, man. Pretty clean kick. About to undis these finally. Okay, if y'all asking, yes, I'm wearing the same shirt that I had on the last day in the life. The simple reason is because I wanted to take some pictures, and last week I wasn't able to take pictures. And yes, the shirt is clean, bitch. It called a washing machine and a dryer. Maybe some of y'all bum ass niggas heard of it. I'm just kidding. I'm just playing, y'all. I'm just playing. Don't take that too serious. But yeah, man, I'm wearing this again. I want to take a couple pictures. It's kind of rainy, kind of gloomy outside, but hey, man, I'm gonna see what I can do. I'm gonna try to take some pictures. That right there, don't worry about that. I'm gonna get to that later. That's gonna be a unbag and unboxing or whatever on my other channel. So y'all go subscribe to my other YouTube channel, man. Where I get fly and get fresh on y'all boys. But yeah, it's what we rocking today, man. So it's the fit. Something light. Like I said, I'm wearing this again. So if any of y'all ask, that's why. I wanted to take pictures in this particular shirt. That's why I'm wearing this shirt again. So, and the shirt is clean. Like I said, wash and dryer. That's what you use when you want to wear something again. You dig? Anyway, man, I'm gonna get out of here, bro. I'll see y'all later on, man. think I'm gonna go ahead and get this Baja shrimp.
You look like
You know what I'm
you gotta
saying?
order your food. We need some time. I'm ready. I'm ready. They ate up all they damn shit. They got all this goddamn cheese and no damn shit.
Shrimp taco, man. Yeah, man. See?
When I got to the front of the line, I was looking down, I was talking to the lady. I said, "Dad, you had that baby up and crying." And I looked up, I'm like, "How damn somebody work for me?" So they told me, "You ain't came up to the White House late." I said, "I ain't got me another dog. Come on,
That's why I ain't never got even when I did the phone like that, if I try to keep it
Yeah, man, food pretty good. You know what I'm saying? Just using the bathroom real quick, washing my hands or whatever. See what I'm saying? But yeah, man, food pretty good. Definitely 10 out of 10 though, for real. You know what I'm saying? So, get to try to get this soap about this dispenser real quick, right? I ain't tripping. And give me one no soap. But yeah, man, food pretty good. Whatever like that, man. Food's on point, most definitely. Y'all got one of your restaurants? I suggest going to it, man. Food pretty good, right? Pretty dope food. Pretty dope spot. You know what I'm saying? All that good stuff. I definitely recommend it. So, yeah, y'all got one of your restaurants, bro, look them up, man. They dope.
That's what I was gonna get. Okay, I'll taste yours too. Oh, one of them put it in the dessert.
Finally got churros, man. That thing looking good, looking nice. See what I'm saying? Nice, man. Hey, man, let's test one of your bad boys out and see what it tastes like. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it.
Your ice cream back there. Please don't put this in here. What the hell is this? What up the thing?
4, 6. Check clean. Clean. Check clean though. Cap. Yo, this little couch pretty dope. No cap. Feel me? Pretty dope. So pretty dope. Had to make a quick stop at GameStop. You know what I'm saying? Well, you know, a little something for the system, man. Had to get something for the system, man. You know what I'm talking about? Got that Uncharted, the Drake collection. Uncharted 1, 2, and 3. I wanted to get this before I think these like the first, I don't know, I think it's like the first Uncharted on the PlayStation 4. So I had to get the first 3 so I can, you know, see what this game really like, so I can get into it. And then after this, I'm gonna get Uncharted 4. And then the one with the little girls on the cover, the Lost episode or whatever it's called. I don't know, but yeah, man, a little Uncharted action on deck. You know what I'm talking about? A little Uncharted. You know what I'm saying? Get some gameplay in or whatever. You feel me? Get some gameplay in the building, man. But yeah, Uncharted. You know what I'm saying? Uncharted, man. They need to clean their disc, bro. They need to do a better job of cleaning their disc, man. But they got a little Uncharted for the PS4 on disc. You already know. Already know. Uncharted, man. So, yeah, man. Just want to do this little vlog real quick. Outside the, where we at, man? We outside Family Dollar right quick. You know what I'm saying? I'm just chilling right now. I ain't doing much, just chilling outside Family Dollar, whatever like that. But yeah, man, anyway, man, yeah. I might get end the video off right here. I don't know yet. I might. So if I do end the video off like this, I just want to say, hey, man, I'll see y'all next time. I might end the video off right here. I might not. But if I do, then hey, I'll holler at y'all. I'll holler at y'all in a minute. We're about to wrap this. Jay got back to the crib. About to wrap this video up real quick, man. Just jumped on that PS4, man. I already got the Uncharted thing up in the system. So you know what we about to do, man. We about to get it popping for real. But I just wanted to wrap this video up real quick, man. I'll let y'all know. Comment, like, and subscribe, man. Dead in the life, man. Hope y'all enjoyed this one. Hope y'all enjoyed it, man. Just want to get back to the crib. Want to do a wrap-up video with y'all. But anyway, man, hope y'all enjoyed it, man. Comment, like, and subscribe, man. Until next time, guys. Peace.